So here we are going to see about augmented reality. Augmented reality, which makes a rapid increasing in all over world, it's make a remarkable change in all the industries like education, to satisfy the customer satisfactions and in everywhere educations, in militaries, in defense, and in the field of customers ITs and everywhere it's paying a remarkable change. It's making a remarkable change in customer satisfaction. Many products that's a L'Oreal, that is the products and the topmost branded, that is a brand which delivers the one app using this AR. It's a feel the realistic of the products, how the customers have been using how it is very helpful to select the products among different products. So this augmented reality is a very new technology that involves the overlay of a computer graphics on the real world. We can feel how the or by objects, we can feel the objects, we can touch the objects, but we could not touch, but we can by using this augmented reality. So this is a technology between the VR and telepresence. While in this virtual reality, the environment is completely synthetic, and the telepresence, it is a completely real, and this AR uses the sees the real world augmented with the virtual object. So I've seen the in this image I'm showing that we're just taking a camera, just taking a photo. We can place how this room could be. So we have one imagination. We build a dream how we have some imagination. That imaginations how it could be. We cannot see that imagination, but using this AR we can see that imagination how it could be. So by using this image we are just taking a photo. If this photo is the chair is suits for this room, or suits for the area this, or otherwise the cup is suits for this room, so we can predefine the changes. So how it's going to work? By first you to scan the camera by this environment, and after this AR software analyzes the scene. So what image they put, how we can represent by the image for by scanning this room, what are the things they will just analyze using this augmented reality software. After that, by processing the spatial data, how spatial data is many data it will be, they will give some suggestions which suits for this room. So determines where to place the digital element. So how if it chooses this corner, or it will be choose if we good for if we choose this object, it can be placed for corner, it will be center, or it will be left or right. They could be analyzed, determines to place the digital element, and after this the virtual object is rendered and anchored. It could be delivered how it suits, and using interacts with the object. So this is first we are going to see about the sensors and camera. The sensors and camera, first it will be capture the user's environment or the data, and it detects the surface, motion and orientation, how long the room is suits, and if we take by outside how the environment it suits, how the orientation, what are the motions they are expecting. They will be detect all by the in first stage. For example, it could be anywhere we can take up. Next is processing into the CPU GPU. This process the data from sensors camera. What are the input first sensors to the camera. What is the data we get? It should be processed. It will send for the processed unit. Decide what digital content to display and where. After that, augmented reality software or engines will work, and by using AI to map the real world, it plays and tracks the virtual objects correctly. So common platforms like AR Kit, Apple AR Core and Unity 3D will performs the following app for the. So next we are going to see display the device. So how by showing this augmented view to the user, it can be sometimes smartphone screens or AR glasses like HoloLenses or head up the displays. So this will display the device, how it will feel that the object is be there, and the projections. In advanced AR device, mini projectors displays the digital content directly onto the lens or the surface. Next we are going to see about the interaction method. So the user interacts with the AR content by touching the screen, voice commands, gestures, eye movement or the other device. By using this interaction method, the recent days one documentary have been very popular. It's very touching and it's feel very emotion, which makes emotion to the peoples. And by using this voice commands and eye movement, so we can by using this we can see the image how it could be happen. So finally, the augmented content is placed based on the analysis, and after the rendering the data of render the AR contents in the real time, and they display the interactions. The final augmented view is shown on the screen or some augmented reality glasses. User can interact by touching, gestures, and voice mode. And this based on analyzing the digital contents, 3D object text, animations, and anchors in the real time. So in real time, meeting you, the South Korean, this is a weird documentary. Mother's reunions with the decreased daughter. So she missed the daughters from childhood. I think the daughter is around 6 to 7 years old. The baby, so the daughter years. So she left. The mother feels very bad at that time. So the documentary was produced by MBC, that is a Mihon Broadcasting Corporation. Looks the videos around 20 years of until I met you or meeting you, like that way the documentary's videos. His thumbnail usually shows the mothers by using the VR setup that with the child in the virtual scene. By seeing her, they felt very lonely. So I'll bring a video for you. So this is a very emotional video, case study video. By using this augmented reality, it's a very useful video, you can see. So
Imagine if you can meet your deceased loved one one last time.
so she can touch
What
by
would you
using the
do?
VR glass.
How would you feel? Jang Ji-sung, a mother of 7-year-old daughter Nayeon, who died of a rare blood-related disease in 2016, burst into tears when she appeared in her favorite dress. The documentary Meeting You by South
그걸 진심으로 받아들이신 게 사실이거든요. 그래서 그 뼈대를 만들고 뭐 그런
So this is a good example. So we feel very bad, and how the mother feels, and she can feel the touch because, but it is an image. So thank you, because many miracles are going to happen by this augmented reality concepts. So thank you.